Collin's first engine pull. First V8 engine pull.
Nice.
Okay, Jake, before I scoop this up, got a camera, give this back to you.
Yeah. On camera, got evidence. Such a good looking motor to be pulling out.
Hopefully she goes back in soon.
I think so. All right, Collin, get on that stick. Let's do this. Yep. Come on, put your back into it. There you go.
Come on. Oops, oops, oops.
Yeah. Like you're in the gym, working. You can do it.
How high? You just have to get over that.
Yeah.
A lot easier to go down than up.
Yeah, it's because you're heavier. Because you put your weight into it. Got to use your muscles to lift.
Come on, PowerCon, man.
That's all right. Keep going.
Just go.
This is one of them old-fashioned engine hoist cherry pickers. They talk to you as you're lifting. Eventually, this motor's going to swing, and then everyone's going to gasp, and it'll be fine. It'll just still hang there. And that chain gets real perfect. It's fine. All right, we're high. Now let's see if we can get it to swing out of there. Yep.
I'm sure going through sawdust is helping.
Yeah, right. Off-road cherry picker. Little evidence of what's going on here. More in depth. It's coming soon.